Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. Today we are going to drawing and coloring vegetables, a carrot, a tomato, and an asparagus. Let's start drawing. First, I draw a carrot. This is the part of the carrot that grows underground. Then, I draw the leaves of the carrot like this. To make this carrot more lively, I draw a cute face for it. Then, I draw a tomato, starting with its leaves. Finally, I draw an asparagus. Now, I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I paint the carrot's leaves with dark green and light green. Then, I color this part orange. I continue to paint this tomato's leaves dark green. For this part, I use red. Finally, I color this asparagus green. Our drawing is almost done. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.